In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jenkins with Slack to send automated build notifications, test reports, and custom messages directly to your channels. We're going to walk through the full setup from inside Jenkins and Slack so your team can get build updates automatically without needing to constantly check the Jenkins dashboard. This is a great way to keep everyone informed about build results, failed jobs, and important pipeline messages in real time. To begin, open your Jenkins dashboard and install the Slack plugin. From the main Jenkins page, go to Manage Jenkins, then select Manage Plugins. In the Available tab, search for Slack Notification. Once you find it, click Install without restart. This plugin gives Jenkins the ability to communicate directly with Slack, which is the foundation for everything else we'll be setting up. Next, configure your Slack workspace app. Open Slack in your browser and go to the Slack app directory. From there, search for Jenkins CI or create a custom Slack app if that better fits your setup. Choose the channel where you want notifications to appear, then copy the bot user OAuth token provided by Slack. This token is what allows Jenkins to send messages securely into your workspace. So make sure you copy it carefully and keep it private. After that, go back to Jenkins and save that token as a credential. Head into Manage Jenkins, click Credentials, and add a new credential. Set the type to secret text, paste the Slack token into the secret field, and save it using a memorable ID. This makes the token easier to reference later and keeps it stored securely inside Jenkins instead of placing it directly into job settings. Now you're ready to set up the global Slack configuration. Go to Manage Jenkins again, select System, and scroll down until you find the Slack section. Enter your workspace subdomain, choose the Slack token credential you just created, and type in your default channel name. Then click Test Connection to confirm that Jenkins can successfully connect to Slack. If the test works, you know the integration is ready for use. The next step is adding notifications to your Jenkins job. If you're using a freestyle project, add a post-build action for Slack notifications and check the event options you want, such as build success or failure. If you're using a pipeline project, add the Slack send code block to your Jenkins file so you can send custom messages or include test summary reports. Finally, run a build to verify everything. Trigger your Jenkins job, open your Slack channel,